Hey guys, welcome to the video. Here I'm going to build a Ender 3 3D printer. So, got it open with the trusty Milwaukee Fastback. So let's get that open. Alright, take a look inside. What do we got? It's long. Oh, there we are. Alright, so there's the instructions. And they're kind of like IKEA instructions. They're not very detailed. You're gonna have to figure it out by yourself. And some of the components don't look like they look in real life, which make it really tricky. And that's kind of like where I spent most of my time, because some of those screws didn't really match the way they look. So you have to go by the bag that has the number and match those up. There are the components. There's the list, and there's 12 steps, just like an AA. There it is. It looks pretty good. Looks fun. Haven't tried it yet. We're gonna check it out. There's the platform. Yeah, those are fun. Those instructions are pretty funky. They're not the best. I would watch a video and then put it together to see how it actually looks first. You know, I just went off the instructions, which was really tricky. Got it done. Let's go. Click like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.